Assalamualaikum and very good evening to Sir Muhammad Syarif bin Muhammad Yusof. Today we're going to talk about topic 7, industrial relation. I would like to present myself. My name is Aiman bin Awan Sapura. My matrix number is 20 DPM 24F 1085. Introduction. Megatech Manufacturing Cedar Berhad is electronics company in Kuching with over 800 workers. Issue in this company is heavy overloaded, limited wage increasement, and unclear promotion policies. Worker former Megatech Workers Union, or we call it as MTWU, to present their interests. The main goal of this company is negotiated better wage, working condition, and fair treatment. Concept of industrial relations is the relationship between an employer and the trade unions which present his workers retailing to employment, non-employee, and condition of work. Objective of this company is promote cooperation between management and employees. Number two is resolve dispute peacefully. And lastly, ensure fair employment practice and workers' protection.
My name is Franklin Banyak Anasaing and my matrix number is 20 DPM 24F1007. Next, I am going to talk about tripartite system in Malaysia industrial relations. The first tripartite system is government. Government acts as mediator and law enforcer through institutions like the Ministry of Human Resources and Industrial Court. Secondly, employers. This tripartite system represent company and management interests. And lastly, employees represent workers' rights and welfare. Next is types of trade union formed by the employees at Megatech Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad. The first one is public sector trade union. This consists of government employees such as those in ministries, statutory bodies, and local authorities. Secondly, private sector trade union. This consists of two types, which is national trade union and in-house trade union. The first one is national trade union. This covers workers in the same industry, trade or occupation. For example, banking, plantation, and manufacturing. Secondly, in-house trade union, formed within a single company or organization like Megatech Workers Union. And the last one, employer union, formed by employers to protect their business interests and coordinate with employee unions.
Hello there, I am Belteshazzar Zariwan and my card metric number is 20 DPM 24F 1067 and I will be presenting about members eligible to join. Okay, so members eligible to join includes all non-managerial and non-confidential employees of Megatech Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad. Okay, and the second point is workers who are directly employed by the company and share common employment interests. Okay, the third one is exclude managers, executives, and those representing employer interests. Okay, now we move on to the second topic, that is functions of trade union and how could they benefit the workers at Megatech Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad. Okay, let's look at public sector trade union. Okay, the functions of it, that is, it represents civil servants in negotiations about wages and benefits. Secondly, protects members from unfair treatment by management. And then the third one is it promotes fair working policies in public service. Okay, so it benefits worker by helping public employees gain fair salaries, allowances, and career opportunities. Okay, if there was public sector, then there must be a private sector. And this brings us to the public sector trade union. Okay, the first point for the private one is national trade union. Okay, it functions as a bargains for fair wages and better working conditions across companies in the same sector. And the second point is it gives worker a strong united voice nationwide. Okay, so what does it benefit for the worker? It benefits through provide national level protection and influence on labor laws and wage standards. Okay, now to the second point is about in-house trade union. Okay, it functions on as a representative of employees of that specific company. Okay, and the second is negotiates directly with management for salary increments, promotions, and better working conditions. Okay, so it benefit workers by ensuring Megatech employees receive fair treatment and a voice in decision making. Okay, and the second point is it builds teamwork and unity among staff to maintain industrial harmony. Okay, and now out of the public and private sector trade union, we also have employers union. Okay, this one it functions as negotiates with trade unions of employees, and then it represents employers during industrial disputes. Okay, what does it benefit? Okay, it benefits indirectly to workers by helping maintain balance and fair labor relations between management and employees. That's all from me. Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Randall Vitus Anderson, and my metric number is 20 ppm 24F1001. For my part is I will present about method of industrial action that worker might consider. The first one is picket. So the purpose of picketing is to publicize the worker dispute, both to other employees who are not directly involved and to the public. The worker do this picket because it can persuade the employee to give in into their demand. And picket also must be conducted outside working hours. For the second one is strike. The strike is an action done by the union member by refusing to work in order to put pressure on management until they want to negotiation. This could cause loss of customer and revenue. And unlike picket, strike can occur during work hours. Next one is method to solve industrial dispute. The first one is direct negotiation. Direct negotiation is a process where the employers and the employee attempt to resolve dispute through open discussion without an external parties. So in this negotiation, both parties discuss their concern, each side presenting their view and to reach a mutual solution. The second one is mediation. Mediation is a neutral third party, or also known as mediator, that assists both sides in reaching an agreement. Mediator must be unbiased and trusted by both parties. The third one is conciliation. Conciliation is a formal process where the industrial relations department assisting the dispute parties getting a mutual understanding. They work to narrow down the issue, propose solution and help discussion toward a resolution. And for the last method is arbitration. An independent arbitrator receive the dispute and issue binding decision. They make a ruling based on legal principle and fairness.
Last is conclusion. In conclusion, an HR management development program is a deliberate investment in the capacities of HR professionals to meet the changing demand of modern workforce management. By providing true train in key HR responsibility, leadership development, and strategic alignment, the program prepares participants with the tools to effectively contribute to company goals. That's, that's from for us. Thank you.